Welcome back to the next episode of English Tutelage. Language is full of expressions that sound fun but mean something really practical. Today, we are stepping into the Marvel universe where English meets Avenger level brilliance. So picture this, Tony Stark, also known as the Iron Man, standing cool as ever, and says the phrase,
Yeah, let me get your cube back. No muss. No fuss.
no muss, no fuss, but simply means no trouble, no mess, no drama. So everything gets done easily and efficiently. Like Iron Man fixing a problem in style. So let's check out another example out of it.
And Torres is okay with that?
Yeah, her idea. Man's here for one day and then he's gone. No muss, no fuss.
So next time when you handle something like a pro, channel your inner Tony Stark and say, mission accomplished. No muss, no fuss. Stay classy, stay confident, and remember, English is your power suit. So let's meet in the next episode of English Tutelage. Bye-bye.